check this out. She's really cool. Let's go check her out. This is a cool artist. I like her a lot. She's friendly. Hey, say hi to the video camera.
Hello all.
She's an artist, this lady, and she does beautiful work.
What are we going to paint on this? I don't know.
How about a beautiful flower with beautiful sky?
That would be pretty.
Because it's a day for that.
Gorgeous day. Gorgeous, gorgeous day.
All
Happy
right.
painting.
Happy painting. All right, I'm gonna share this so you don't mind. I have your
put
permission.
it out there. You better believe it.
And you're a great artist. And what's your name?
Heather Roddy.
Heather Roddy. And
Google me.
Okay, I'll Google you.
Google my name.
I'll get
Heather
your card.
Roddy.
This is one of the most colorful galleries. It's right here in the Solana Beach Del Mar area. It's next to my coffee house I hang out in. She does beautiful work. Look at this doll.